Ever wondered how influencers make money just by sharing what they love? What if I told you that you too can earn passive income simply by recommending products online, without owning any inventory or even showing your face? Welcome to today's video. How to become an Amazon influencer and earn passive income. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to qualify and apply for the Amazon Influencer Program, how to set up your storefront, how to promote products the smart way, and how to turn it into a real stream of passive income. So grab a pen, because this could be your next big side hustle. The Amazon Influencer Program is an extension of the Amazon Associates Program, but it's designed specifically for creators on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Here's how it works. You get your own Amazon storefront, where you can recommend products you love, from tech gadgets, beauty items, kitchen tools, or anything you actually use. When people buy through your links, you earn a commission. Simple as that. But what makes it powerful is that once your content is up, it can make money even while you sleep. That's what makes it passive income. Now, before you rush to sign up, let's talk requirements. To join, you'll need 1. An active social media account, preferably with some followers and engagement. 2. Accounts on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. 3. Content that shows you can influence buying decisions, reviews, unboxings, tutorials, or lifestyle videos. Pro tip: you don't need millions of followers. Amazon looks more at engagement and how you connect with your audience, not just follow count. Even micro-influencers with 1,000 followers can get approved. Alright, let's go step by step. Step 1. Visit the Amazon Influencer page. Go to affiliateprogram.amazon.com, Influencers. Click on Sign Up. It'll ask you to sign in with your Amazon account. Step 2. Choose your platform. Select which platform you want Amazon to review: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. Step 3. Amazon reviews your application. They'll check your content, engagement, and overall influence. This usually takes a few hours to a few days. Once approved, you'll get your unique storefront link. Congratulations, you're officially an Amazon influencer. Now it's time to make your storefront shine. This is your digital shop window, so make it look appealing. Here's how. 1. Upload a professional profile picture, your logo or headshot. 2. Write a short bio about who you are and what kind of products you share. 3. Create idea lists. For example, my home office must-haves, beauty products I actually use, top budget tech gadgets. Pro tip: use catchy list titles. People click on curiosity. Instead of camera gear, say, my YouTube filming setup that cost under $500. Here's where most people fail. They set up the storefront and expect magic. But here's the truth. You must drive traffic to your Amazon links. Here's how to do it effectively. 1. YouTube tutorials. Create top 5 gadgets I can't live without, or my Amazon home office setup. Add your storefront link in the description and pinned comment. 2. TikTok or Reels. Post short product demos or unboxings. Use trending sounds and include your link in bio. 3. Blog or Pinterest. Write short product reviews and embed your affiliate links. 4. Email lists. If you have one, share product of the week emails. Remember, the more authentic your content, the better. People buy from those they trust, not from ads that feel forced. Let's talk numbers. Your commission depends on the category. For example, Amazon Fashion, 4 to 6%; Home and Kitchen, 3 to 4%; Electronics, 1 to 3%. Now, that might not sound huge, but it adds up quickly. If one of your videos goes viral, you could be making hundreds or even thousands of dollars a month, passively. Example. Let's say you post a YouTube review that gets 50,000 views. If just 500 people buy through your links and each purchase earns you $3, That's $1,500 from one video. Here are pro strategies to make your influencer business grow faster. 1. Focus on evergreen products. Things people buy all year round: headphones, kitchen tools, skincare, etc. 2. Create seasonal lists: holiday gifts, back-to-school must-haves, summer essentials. 3. Use data. Amazon gives you analytics. Check what sells best and double down. 4. Bundle products together. For example, everything I use for filming my videos. 5. Leverage AI tools. Use ChatGPT or other AI tools to write descriptions or generate keyword ideas. 6. Be consistent. The more content you create, the more links you have working for you. Remember, success won't happen overnight, but consistency creates momentum. Once you've mastered Amazon, don't stop there. You can expand your passive income streams by joining other affiliate programs like Walmart, Target, or ClickBank, creating your own digital products like ebooks or online courses, building a personal brand that attracts sponsorships and collaborations. The Amazon Influencer Program can be your gateway to a full-time creator business. So to recap, sign up for the Amazon Influencer Program. Build your storefront, promote products authentically, be consistent and track your results. It's not just about selling, it's about sharing what you love and getting paid for it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with someone who's looking for a new side hustle. And if you're ready to start, I've dropped the link to apply for the Amazon Influencer Program in the description below. Thanks for watching, and remember, your next stream of income could start with just one link.